One, praise Yahweh Shem Kakadash. This relates to the Senate Bill 3105, Illinois. Senate Bill 3105 looks to head off implications present the field of biotechnology. In Sweden, thousands of people have had MC chips inserted into their hands. According to NPR, which is National Press Review, the devices are designed to speed up users' daily routines by swiping the hand against digital readers. And you're seeing that in Sweden and various other places, man. You had a kiosk center where employees were volunteering putting that in them. You know, you have videos where they're showing the convenience of having that put into your body. You know what I mean? For opening your car door, opening your front door of your house, getting a candy bar out of the machine, a vending machine, different things, man. Or buying food, you know what I mean? Using your handprint. So that technology's here, man. This is proposed Illinois law would make it legal for companies to MC. Had to say that for YouTube, or pretty much M-chip. You know what I mean, in the matter of speaking. Another one would be subcutaneous, which is pretty much under skin, man. We'll get that word real quick. Subcutaneous, or something, a device that's going, or something that's going to go under your skin. Subcutaneous means beneath or under all layers of the skin, relating to that specific device. It's going to go beneath and under all the layers of that skin, whether your right hand forehead, whether your right hand or left hand, or even to your forehead. For examples, subcutaneous cyst is under what? The skin. The sub is underneath, like a submarine underwater, man. So it's going under something, man. Under the water, beneath the water. So sub is under, man. So let's get a definition of it. Now, subcutaneous is a word here. Subcutaneous creepiness. Yeah, it's very creepy, related to having something under your skin that can ultimately control you, man. We got. Let me see what we got here. All right, being, living, or occurring or administered under the skin. So it's going to be something that's administered under the skin, man. Subcutaneous injection relating to that. Injection relating to this, going to be something that's going to be cut or punctured into the skin. Injections are used to administer the medication between the skin and muscles, man. It's using these examples relating to what they propose of different things relating to what they propose. Let's go back to where we at. So that was I seen a video relating to that, talking about that possibly early as January 1st, 2025. Video that was posted. It creates the prohibition of cohesive subcutaneous implant Implants Act. That goes with that. This is under leg scan. Let me see. This is just a little bit of it. That is General Assembly Legislative Research, SB 3105, 2023-24. General Assembly. I remember a video that Joe Biden said with Justin, I believe it was John Roberts, Justice John Roberts said before the end of your tenure, you're going to be relating to making a decision about a certain specific before the end of your tenure. I think that was in early 2000, I want to say, yes, 2012, 13, 14, around that time. So you told him, one of the justices, you're going to make a decision regarding certain matters relating to this specific here, man, when the time comes, man. So this is relating to that was leg scan. Let me see. Get a scripture real quick. Leviticus 19 and 28. Ye shall not make any cuttings in your flesh for the dead, nor print any marks upon you. I am the Lord. So making any cuttings, form of remembrance relating to cuttings in the flesh. For example, tattoos. People put personal tattoos on relating to family members that passed away in remembrance to them. So none of that relating to tattoos or any etching or cutting in the skin, man. That's Leviticus 19 and 28. You got more Revelations. Start at 14. Deceive them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles. Part of those miracles relating to the sorcery, the technology which is that form of sorcery and witchcraft. And he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth, they shall make an image to the beast, and which had wound by the sword and did live. 15. And he had the power to give life into the image beast, that the image of the beast should both speak and cause that as many as would not worship the image of the beast shall be deleted. K-I-L-E-D. So it's forced compliance. So if you don't comply relating to that, it would be a consequence. That's what it's telling you, man. Because it's going to come in a more a draconic authority, where it's going to it spake like as a lamb, now it comes as a dragon. So it's going to come more aggressively related to measures and means, which is going to make the people the force to comply to what it wants it to do, man. And ones who don't get down to comply to that, it's going to be a consequence, man. And he calls them all bold, small, great, rich, free, and bond. And he calls them all bold, small, great, rich, poor, free, and bond to receive the mark in the right hand or in the forehead. So remember, while talking about the hand, the subcutaneous, underneath the skin, whether the right hand or the left hand, or even to the forehead, man. That brain chip, for example, man. Neuralink, Elon Musk. You know what I mean? So in all denominations, none are going to be exempt. None are going to be exempt. None are going to be exempt from taking this, man, participating in this. There's not going to be a respecter of persons or no form of exemption regarding that. Man. So he calls all, both small, great, rich, poor, free, and bond to receive the mark in the right hand and the foreheads. So all denominations, all people, none are going to be exempt, no respecter of persons. Man. And that no man might buy or sell save he had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name, man. So without this certain specific, you're not going to be able to continue in society, whether to buy, sell, trade, or do business, or operate normally in society. Here's the wisdom: let him have the understanding, count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666, cause a stigma. You know what I mean? Pretty much that barcode identification relating to that certain specific product, that human product. So you, with that human product, which will be barcode relating to your personal information, financial, and different things, that's going to be on that specific product. You're going to be that product, man or woman. You're the human product. You know what I mean? And that bar is going to identify what's on that relating to you, man. Regarding your financial, personal, etc., man. Go to first in Kings 19 and 18. Relates to Elijah flees from Horeb. The Lord appears to Elijah, then the call of Elisha, which is understudy. Go to 19 and 18. Yet I will reserve 7,000, which is completion, in Israel, and all those knees have not bowed down to Baal. It goes to the Phoenician god, pretty much an idol, man, you know what I mean? And whose mouths have not kissed him, man. Go to Revelations 20. Revelations 20 and 4. 20 and 4. And I saw the thrones that sat upon them. The judgment was given into them. And I saw the souls of them that were beheaded. Beheaded goes to martyrdom, man. The guillotine, the no-high laws, man, which goes to the guillotine. For the witness, which is a testimony of Yahweh Shai. For the word of God, and which had not worshipped the beast, neither his image, neither had received his mark upon his forehead or in their hands, and they lived in reign in Mashiach for 1,000 years. One who resisted and not bow down. You know, I'll go to let me see. I'll go to Revelations 2 and 10, Revelations 3 and 10. So it goes with First Kings 19 and 18. 7,000, which is completion, had not bowed down to Baal or kissed him. That's the NIV version, relating to New International Version. That's First Kings 19 and 18. So the 7 men that have not bowed down to Baal, man, a Phoenician god, an idol, man, pretty much. And they were beheaded for the witness, the testimony relating to Yahweh, Yahweh Shai, man. All right, go to what's the one? Revelations 2 and 10, Revelations 3 and 10. It's gonna be a short video. Three and 10. Let me see. I'll go to 2 and 10 first. All right, 2 and 10. Fear none of those things which thou shalt suffer. The part of that is relating to Revelations 13. You know, being specifically, that's a major prophecy. Behold, the devil shall cast some of you into prison. That's the carnal counterpart of one's in position of power on earth. That ye may be tried. Try goes to being tested, man. Tested goes to being tried. And ye shall have tribulation 10 days. So that could be a lot more, a lot less. You know, just an example. And be thou faithful unto the death, and I will give thee a crown of life. So faithful unto death. 20 Revelations 4 talk about there shall be some beheaded for the witness of Yahweh Shai, man. So they're going to suffer relating to being beheaded, you know, going through different things. You know what I mean? Some going to be cast into prison, different scenarios, man. Go to 3 and 10. Because thou hast kept the word of my patience. The part of that patience is suffer, tolerating, enduring, and I will also keep thee from the hour of temptation. And the hour of temptation ultimately is related to Revelations 13, 15 on down, man. It relates to the MC or the M chip, called the M chip, or the C hip, as men call it. So that's the ultimate hour of temptation, because it's going to be, we're all on the earth are going to be tested and tried, man. And that's what we're going to get into. Because thou hast kept the word of my patience, also I will keep thee from the hour of temptation, related to the C hip, the microchip, which shall come upon all the world, the inhabitants of the world, man. To what? To try them that dwell on the earth, man. So that's the ultimate hour of temptation, man. The hour of trial, the hour of trial and tribulation. You know what I mean? So that's the major one, man, because collectively as a mass, it's going to affect everybody, man. Read it again. Because thou hast kept the word of my patience, I will also keep thee from the hour of temptation, man, which shall come upon all the world to try them that dwell upon the earth. That goes to the trying and testing and the testing and trying. You know what I mean? Related to the inhabitants of the earth, man. All right, this is something short related to that. It relates to that Senate Bill 3105, Illinois proposal relating to the Subcutaneous Implant Act. That being said, I hope this helps related to information. You all praise Yahweh Shem Yahshua Bashim Makakadash. This is Ayah Wolf. I hope it helps. Shalom.